it's Ruu. In this video, we are going to make the Midori Sour. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients: Midori, vodka, sweet and sour mix, and maraschino cherries. 4 items. It's still time. Let's go grab ice, a shaker, a rocks glass, and a jigger. First step, grab your sweet and sour mix. We will be pouring 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix into the shaker. Next, grab your bottle of Midori. We will be pouring 1 ounce of Midori into the shaker. Grab your last bottle, the vodka. Pour half an ounce of vodka into the shaker. Oops, I think I put a little bit more of that. It's okay. Add ice. Close the lid. And shake your drink. Add ice. Pour your drink into the glass. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, a Midori Sour. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.